Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image gallery in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to actually do this, what we can do is you can head over and then try to open in here a page. So I'll head over and open this display page that I have. Let me just head over and click on this edit page. And now we can see in here this. So what we can do is we can click on this plus icon right here. And then we need to search in here for gallery. So in here, you can see the option for gallery. So what you can do in this case is just head over and then add this particular block in here wherein you want to put it. So I have in here this gallery wherein I just need to drag images. So let's click on this upload right here. You can also select some images that you want to use. So for example, in my case, I'll head over and then just choose this images right here. Then click on open. Then as you can see right here, it will upload. And as you can see, it's loading right now. But once it's done, you can see that this images has been added on my image gallery. So that's the whole process. If you want to know a lot more things, subscribe to our channel. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.